Welcome back everyone to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. In this episode, I am making chicken curry casserole. Let's start cooking. I am using the following ingredients: chicken wings, 1 large onion chopped, minced ginger, minced garlic, all-purpose flour, chicken stock, curry powder, salt, white pepper, and oil. I'm going to start by adding half of my garlic or minced garlic. I'm adding it to the chicken. I'm going to marinate my chicken for about half an hour to an hour. Okay, I'm also going to add the curry powder to the chicken. Okay, that is it. I'm going to cover that. We'll let our chicken marinate for half an hour to an hour in the fridge, and then we'll come back and start cooking. Our chicken's been marinating for half an hour. I'm going to add our plain flour to the chicken. I'll put it aside and I'll start heating up my frying pan. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of oil to the pan, and I'm going to lightly brown the chicken first. I'll start with that lot first. Turn them around. Okay, I'll transfer these to a plate and I'll keep cooking the rest. And then we'll move on to the next stage of our recipe. I'm going to add my onions now to the pan. Let's add a little bit of oil if you need to. I'll add the rest of my garlic. And ginger. Give it a stir. I'm also going to add another tablespoon of the curry powder. Keep stirring. I'm adding my potatoes now. As well as my carrots. And I'll leave the other veggies to add a bit later. Give it a good stir. At this stage, I'm going to add my chicken stock. Okay, I still have a little bit of chicken stock left. I'll put it on the side and I'll add slowly when I add the rest of the ingredients. So all those flavorings will come off the pot. I'm going to simmer our veggies, especially our potatoes and carrots, and let them cook for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Right now I'm going to add my chicken back into the pan. I have boiled the potatoes and the carrots for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, half cooking, so it's time for me to add the chicken back in. Continue cooking in there. Because I coated the chicken with all-purpose flour in the beginning, that will help thicken our casserole or curry. Let's continue simmering that on medium heat for about 10-15 minutes, or until our chicken is fully cooked, and then we'll continue on from there. Right now I'm adding my celery and beans. Keep stirring our chicken and veggies to make sure they're evenly cooked. Our casserole or curry is getting thicker. I am going to go ahead and add the rest of our chicken stock. I think our chicken is cooked. I'm now going to go ahead and add the cauliflower, let it simmer for a few more minutes, and that's it. Our casserole or chicken curry casserole is ready. Look at all those nice colourful vegetables. And that is what we're having for dinner. So I hope you like this recipe. I'm going to dish some to taste. Turn my oven off now. Let me go ahead and taste it and see if I need to add more salt. I think I do. I'm going to add a little bit more of the salt. Thanks to our brother, Tamapalangi, for encouraging us to use less sodium salt, for our health reasons. So this is the best I could find. I'm using it today. So let me turn this off and dish our curry. Okay, let's go ahead and taste our food, everyone. So yummy. You can never go wrong with chicken curry, casserole, whatever you call it. Adding some veggies to it. Eat it with rice. That is our cooking and dinner with you, my wonderful viewers. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. I will catch up with you in the next episode. Take care. Bye for now.